Are you also tired of designing websites like I am? Well, I found a fantastic AI tool that not only generates websites for you, but also allows you to customize them easily. The tool is called CodeDesignAI. Let me show you how it works. First, go to website of this tool. So this is the home page. If you scroll down, you will see two boxes, funnel template and website landing pages. We will click on website page option. Once you click it, you will see filter and category options on the left side. Choose the type of website you want to create and ready-made templates will appear on the right side. You can customize and preview these templates. To create new websites, go back to home page. You will see white box where you need to enter your business brand name, type of business and what kind of website you want. After filling this out, click on generate. Once you click on it, another box will appear where you can select the website language, category, business name, location. After selecting this, click on generate website now, and within seconds your website will be ready. Here is the result. You can further customize your website. For example, if you want to change this text, I'll double click on it. A box will pop up where I can adjust the font style, text, font size, color and alignment. To edit an image, hover over image and click on edit button that appears on the right side. You can customize or replace the image. If you want to choose another image, click on the image and a box will appear on the right side with ready-made images that you can select from. Let's move on. If I want to change the header color, I'll click on it and a box will appear where I can change the color. You can also add gradients or an image. Here you can see both desktop and mobile view. If you turn on advanced mode, a box will open on the right side where you can adjust the link, layout, alignment, animation, style setting, background color, shadow, borders and much more. So you can click on regenerate and make changes and regenerate your website. To save it, click on save now button. You can also click on style guide to change all the colors of your website. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more such AI tutorials.